Hello! So I'm gonna try and do a tutorial. Sorry if it's a bit rubbish, but this is the first time doing this, so okay. So just gonna start with the white. Excuse me while I look at the mirror. So I'm just gonna skip ahead because this is, you know how this was going. I got this from TK Maxx, but it's splitting, so I thought it'd be better than that. Never mind. So I decided to go with rainbow because I'm all rainbow today, but I think I will go with spots because why not? So I'm gonna do one colour all across my eyes and then I'm gonna just paint those little different colour spots. Hopefully it will work. Okay, who knows? It's different every week. So I'm gonna go with blue and then the spots will be all the other colours of the rainbow. So let's just dive straight in. Just gonna skip ahead a bit on that. I would just use eyeshadow on here when it's dry because it will just make the colour bolder, and I don't want to put too much of this stuff too near my eyes because it makes my eyes water. So I forgot to say I'm using Snazaroo face paint that I got from eBay, and that's back to front, but yeah. And then I've just got a brush and added a bit of water, and I'm gonna try and paint some spots. So wish me luck. Done a test spot to check, so it's not too bad. So yeah, if you make a mistake, I can just make bigger spots, and hopefully they will just become circular rather than jagged edges. So yeah, that's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Can't really see on the camera anyway, so don't worry if nothing's perfect. So I'm going to do a few more spots and then I'll go to the next part. Now I've done red and orange now, so I'm going to do yellow next. Just keep going through all the colours, and I'm just randomly putting them wherever I feel like because it's fun that way. That, nearly done the spots. Just got to do pink. What do you think? I'll look a little bit when I finished. Even if I'm not happy with it, I still go with it because it always looks better on camera anyway. So that's all the colours. So I'm gonna do my lips rainbow to match, and I'm gonna use face paint for that too. So same brush and same paints. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Just need to keep your lips to heart because, oh, as it will smudge while it dries. So I'm going to give a head now. The line is not straight, but I'm gonna line that with black lip liner so it doesn't really matter. No one will know. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. What do you think? I think I'm gonna put some spots just here and here, like a clown face but with spots. That's what I'm gonna do next. Right, that's all the face paint done. Now I'm going to eyeshadow and eyeliner and now false eyelashes. And I'm going to line my lips and then I get to stick little jewels on my face. So, eyeshadow next. I'm going to do different colour eyeshadows, like stripes, because why not? Let's start with purple. I would do blue, but it's all blue, so let's find pink. And since I've got pink in my hand, I'll start pink on the other side. Because it doesn't have to match. Doesn't matter. No rules. no. I hope this isn't too boring. I've tried to trim it as much as I can. There we go. Right. Yeah, eyeliner. So I use magnetic eyelashes and has a magnetic eyeliner, so they stick together and they're much easier than the glue because I can't do that. So these are a lifesaver if you want to wear false eyelashes, that is. So I'm just going to put a liquid eyeliner on my eyes and then mascara, and so I'll just skip ahead again. Dropping stuff in the sink because I'm clumsy like that. I'm not the neatest at doing this, so just bear with me. So I've done my eyeliner and mascara. For my eyebrows I just use black face paint. That's it. But they usually end up being a different shape every time. So, but as long as they're symmetrical, that's fine. Just go with it. So that's how I do them. So I'm just going to skip ahead to the next bit. So I've done my eyebrows. I wait till the last minute to do my eyelashes because the eyeliner has to dry before I can put the magnetic ones on it. Otherwise it will, yeah, doesn't work very well. So now I'm going to use pencil eyeliner around my eyes and around my lips. And then I've just got to stick some fingers on my face. Nearly there. So I just make that really thick line around my eyes. So I'm just going to skip ahead again. The eyeliner done. I'm just going to line my lips and then I will stick the things on my face. Gonna skip ahead again. Now I'm gonna stick some tools on my face. These are just from the pound shop, so nice and cheap. And you can only use them one time because then they're gone. I'll just stick them wherever I feel like. Skipping ahead, and I've got some little tiny ones where I have to use tweezers for them because they're just too fiddly otherwise. That happens a lot. Skipping ahead. So now I've got the gems on, and now for the fun part, eyelashes. Huh? Just sticks. How cool is that? I love these eyelashes. Just did the other one. That one was playing up. And there you go. I'm going to put all my hair things on now. I hope this was helpful. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.